With an aggressive and aerodynamic front design, this Lamborghini commands attention. Y-shaped ultra-thin LED strips slice through the night, illuminating the road ahead. The sculpted hood, with deep vents, enhances airflow for optimal performance. Large carbon fiber air intakes provide unmatched cooling, while the low, wide stance embodies raw power and innovation. Every inch of this machine is designed for aerodynamics. The low, elongated body features sharp creases and sculpted airflow channels leading to massive side intakes. The iconic scissor doors now boast a transparent panel, offering a glimpse into the cutting-edge interior. Carbon fiber wheels with glowing neon accents enhance both style and performance. With side mirrors replaced by advanced aerodynamic cameras, the future is here. The rear is a bold statement of power. Ultra-thin, Y-shaped LED taillights extend across the width, creating a striking light signature. A massive carbon fiber diffuser integrates aerodynamic fins, channeling airflow for peak performance. The hexagonal triple-pipe exhaust system radiates heat-resistant neon glow, while a dynamic adaptive wing shifts seamlessly for stability at high speeds. The floating Lamborghini emblem, illuminated in the center, cements its presence as the future of performance. From above, the futuristic silhouette is unmistakable. The teardrop-shaped body, designed for maximum downforce, glides through the air effortlessly. Integrated solar panels on the streamlined roof provide auxiliary power, while the transparent engine cover reveals a hybrid twin-turbo V12 with neon-lit components. A true masterpiece of speed and sustainability. Step inside the future. The cockpit is a seamless fusion of luxury and technology. A fully digital, holographic heads-up display projects real-time data, navigation, and AI-assisted driving modes. The jet fighter-inspired steering wheel integrates touch-sensitive controls with glowing neon accents. Ultra-light graphene carbon fiber seats, wrapped in Alcantara, ensure supreme comfort. The floating touchscreen interface with gesture controls eliminates the need for buttons, while ambient lighting dynamically shifts, adapting to every driving mode.